In this clear downtrend structure, we can find the latest lower low structure zone. Right now, we can see the price create the breakout phase as well the pullback phase, forming the whole break and retest formation. Looking at the whole structure, is this a good or bad break and retest? Before we find out, hit the like button. This is a bad break and retest formation, and here is my explanation of that. From the whole break and retest, here is the push phase or the breakout phase, and here is the pullback phase up to the retest touch point. We can see that the breakout phase is much weaker in the structure and in momentum compared to the whole pullback phase. In a bearish break and retest formation, the breakout should be much stronger than the pullback, and the pullback must have less momentum. In the overall structure, that's how in overall, we keep the push phase with a strong bearish momentum, and the pullback with a much less and weak bullish momentum. Follow for more content.